Today I am going to do two worksheets, that is worksheet 1 and 2. Yesterday I have sent you two worksheets for practice. The first one is based on gender. So you see masculine gender is given. You have to make feminine gender, okay? Now you see host. Number one is host. What will be the answer for host? Host will be hostess. Before also we have done some exercises on gender. You please revise that. Along with this, you revise those also, okay? Second one you see, husband will be wife. Son will be daughter. Number 4 is wizard. Wizard will be witch. Monk will be nun. Bachelor will be spinster. S-P-I-N-S-T-E-R. King will be queen. Man will be woman. Boy will be girl. These are all simple ones, you all know. Emperor will be empress. So this is just for practice. You please practice and revise this. Once again children, please see. Number 1 is host, hostess. Husband, wife. Son, daughter. Wizard, witch. Monk will be nun. Bachelor will be spinster. King will be queen. Man will be woman. Boy will be girl. Emperor will be empress. Now I am going to discuss worksheet 2. Children, see, this is worksheet 2. Write the plural forms. We are going to write the plural forms. The singular forms are given. We are going to write the plural forms. Now you see, write the plural form of each noun. I have already written on the board. Street will be streets. Streets, okay. Bridge will be bridges. I hope all of you know this. I have taught you this. Patch will be patches. See, this is ending in CH. The words which end in CH, we have to add ES, okay. Patches, you know that. Rocket, rockets. Class, see, it is ending in S. S it is ending. So we are going to write classes. This is also a rule. Valet will be valets. Fox, the words which end in X, we have to add ES, foxes. Pajama will be pajamas. Okay, now you see, sock will be socks. Nurse will be nurses. Address ending in S, so it will be ADDRESS ES. ADDRESS addresses. Inch, CH ending in CH, INCHES. So we'll add ES. Inch, inches. Couch will be couches. CUCHES, couches. It is also ending in CH. Bread will be breads. Doctor will be doctors. Tax ending in X. So we'll add ES, taxes. Glass ending in S. So it will be glasses. Okay children, please see. Streets, streets. Bridge, bridges. Patch, patches. Rocket, rockets. Class, classes. Valet, valets. Fox, foxes. Pajama, pajamas. Sock, socks. Nurse, nurses. Address, addresses. Inch, inches. Couch, couches. Bread, breads. Doctor, doctors. Tax, taxes. Glass, glasses. Children, see, number 18 is cat. We'll write the plural. Cats. Lamp will be lamps. These are all simple ones. You all know. House will be houses. Flash will be flashes. FLASHES. See, ending in SH. So flashes. Table. Table will be tables. This is for your practice children. You will revise all these things along with whatever exercises we have done in the previous classes. Church will be churches. See, it is also ending in CH. Pan will be pans. So children, we have done worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. First one was based on gender and this one is based on numbers, that is plural forms. Okay, from singular we are writing the plural forms. So children, please revise both the worksheets along with the exercises and the lessons whatever I taught you. Thank you.